To add a fingerprint to your OnePlus 13, first you will need to open a settings on your device. Then scroll down looking for the display and brightness, for security and privacy, and here scroll down again to device unlock. That way we can find a fingerprint and face unlock options, select a fingerprint right here, and if you can draw a lock pattern or enter a password right here, that means you can set up fingerprint. If not, you will need to set up a lock screen, and we've made a dedicated video on how to do it. If you want, you can watch it. Then we can click on the Add Fingerprint button, and finally right here we need to scan our finger until we fully scan it. So attempt to put it from different sides. Okay, so we're done and our fingerprint is set up.